The car is making a very strange noise. Listen to it.
What is wrong with the car? It is shaking a lot right now.
Look at the sky, Dad. The dark clouds are completely black today.
The cold wind is blowing very hard against the car window right now.
I think we have a flat tire. I need to stop the car.
A flat tire? But our flight to London is very soon. Hurry up!
Oh no! Here comes the rain. Big drops of water are falling down.
I am stopping on the side of the road. We are safe inside.
I am very scared. I really do not like this big, dark storm.
Close your eyes, Leo. Thunder is just the loud noise in the sky.
I want to go home. I do not want to go there today.
Breathe, Leo. Look at me. We are together. The rain will stop soon.
Let us call for help, Max. We cannot drive with a flat tire.
I have a big problem. My phone has 1% battery day left.
Use my phone. Let me check my bag. Where is it? Oh no.
What is wrong with your bag, Sarah? Please open it and look inside.
I forgot my phone on the kitchen table. I left it at home.
We have no phones at all? We are fully trapped in the car.
Look outside, Leo. The rain is stopping. The sky is blue once again.
The storm is over. We have 50 minutes left to catch the airplane.
Stay in the car. I will go outside and look at the wheels.
What is wrong with the car, Dad? Can we drive to the airport?
Yes, it is a flat tire. The rubber is flat in the mud.
Oh no. And we have no phones to call a mechanic for help.
Do not worry. Let us play a fun game, Leo. Come outside now.
Play a game? Now? But our flight to London is very soon.
Exactly. We are going to play mechanics. Mechanics always work very fast.
Max, do you really know how to change a tire all by yourself?
Of course. I am the head mechanic. Open the car trunk, Leo.
Okay, head mechanic. Tell me right now, what do we need to do?
We need the spare. The spare is the extra tire. Look back there.
I see it. It is a new black tire. It is very heavy.
Grab the top. I will grab the bottom. Pull it into the mud.
What do we do now? We need to lift the heavy car up.
Find the jack. It is the metal tool to lift the heavy car.
I have the jack. And I have the wrench, the metal bar. Here.
Perfect. Give me the metal jack. I will put it under the door.
Dad, wait. The jack is upside down. It looks completely wrong to me.
No, it is not. I must turn the handle now. Ouch. My finger.
Max, the jack is slipping. The heavy car is not moving up.
Ooh, I dropped the metal wrench. My hands are covered in black dirt now.
I think you are a very bad mechanic, Dad. Let us stop playing.
Okay, you are right. I have a secret, Leo. Please, come here.
What is the big secret? Are we really gonna miss the airplane?
Yeah. I never changed a tire before. I have no idea what to do.
Max, I cannot believe it. You said you were the great head mechanic.
We are trapped on the road. We will never get to London today.
Wait a minute. Look behind us right now. A big truck is stopping.
Hello. Good afternoon to you. Do you need help with that flat tire? Yes, please. I am playing mechanic, but I am very terrible at it.
Move away, my friend. I am a real mechanic. Just watch and learn.
Wow. He put the jack in the right place. The car goes up.
Pass me the wrench. I must take the 4 metal nuts off now. You are an incredibly fast mechanic. You are really saving our family vacation. Give me the spare tire. Push it in. Now I put nuts on.
The flat tire is in the trunk. The new tire is on.
I am lowering the car. You are ready to go now. Drive safely. Thank you so much, my friend. Get in the car, Leo. Run fast.
We only have 20 minutes left. Hurry up, Max. Drive the car fast.
Starting the engine. Look at the green signs. We need directions right now.
We are moving fast. Look at the sign up there. Airport next exit.
Take the next exit to the right. We are finally very close now.
Turning right. I see the bright lights. I see the big terminal doors.
Stop the car right here, Dad. Let us grab all the travel bags.
Run to the front door. Do not drop the travel bags, Leo. Hurry!
Look for the blue sign. It is the big sign for our airline.
Let us go to desk number 5. Follow me. There is no line.
Hello. Good evening. Please, we need to board the airplane right now. Hurry.
Good evening. The boarding pass is the paper to enter the airplane.
Please show me all of your boarding passes right now to check.
Here they are. We have 3 boarding passes to London. Please hurry up.
I am sorry, sir, but you and your family cannot enter the airplane.
Why not? We are here exactly on time. The clock says 6 o'clock.
Please look at your paper ticket, sir. Look very closely at the date.
The date? It says November 11th. Exactly. Today is the 11th of November.
No, sir. Today is the 10th. Your flight is actually tomorrow, not today.
Tomorrow? I really looked at the wrong day? This is impossible to believe.
Oh, Max, we cried in the storm. You played mechanic today.
A stranger saved us, and we are 1 full day early today.
I am completely wet and tired, but it was a great adventure.
If you liked our adventure and want to learn English with us today,
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave your like right now.
Tell us in the comments, have you ever looked at the wrong date?